Are you looking for some awesome mud flaps, but you don't want to spend a bunch of money? These are the Rally Armor Basic Universal Mud Flaps. What's up guys, Rick with RallySport Direct here. In front of me I have the Rally Armor Basic Universal Mud Flaps right here. Let's go ahead and I'm just going to pull one out just because I don't want to make a huge mess here. But these are by far one of the most popular mud flaps, and the reason for that is their price. They are inexpensive, they're super high quality, and they look awesome on your vehicle. If you are looking to, maybe you've wanted a set of mud flaps, you don't want to spend a bunch of money, you can get something like this. The only downside to this is you do have to drill your own holes, but it's not that big of a problem if you take your time, you hold it up, you measure and you drill, and then you mount it yourself. You've got, of course, the high quality mud flap. You can use your own hardware. You can use the factory hardware if you already have, maybe the factory already has some kind of mud flap on there. But you just get definitely a rally style mud flap. And also, people who do race in rallies, SEC autocross, those type of things where, maybe they ruin a bunch of mud flaps throughout the year, which does happen. Going with something inexpensive like this, you don't have to worry about ruining them because, they're significantly less money. So you can buy a few sets and have it last throughout the season as opposed to ruining some more expensive ones. But these look awesome on the car. I really love the Rally Armor logo in there, and it's still super high quality. I was normally going to say it comes with everything you need to install it, but really it doesn't come with anything you need to install. It is literally just the flap. But if you are looking for a set of mud flap, maybe Rally Armor doesn't make ones that are specific for your vehicle, you can get something like this universal, mount it up yourself, have an awesome mud flap that not only offers protection, but also looks really cool. Check it out. That's all the time we've got for you today. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.